Oh, okay, today I just want to show you how to record vocals in Cubase 5. First and foremost, when you download Cubase 5, maybe you're just an upcoming producer, upcoming artist who want to record yourself or whatever you want to do, you need to record the vocals here. You just want to come here, then go to device setup, then select your audio device which you are using to record. If it's a USB microphone, maybe it will be listed here. As for me, I'm using Focusrite USB audio, so I already selected this one, but there are other stack audio files here, like audio for all, FL Studio audio, what, and select. Then you come here and select OK, then click switch. Okay, but if you do this one and try to record, this Cubase will never take your voice or your vocals. Nothing will be recorded, in simple terms. So you need to come here again, go to VST connections. Here, you see, you need to select the inputs, the microphone which you need to record. As for me, just to come here and select your device. This is Focusrite USB audio. Then come here, select the inputs here. Then go to the outputs. This is where you connect your speakers or headphones, whatever you use to monitor your sound. For me, you then click here and connect. Yeah, that is all. Then go back here. See, you can add a track here. Make sure you put it in mono, because you don't need stereo when you record the vocals. Then click OK. If you want to monitor a sound, if I click here, I can monitor my sound, what I talk about. Due to talk a lot multiple, because I connected a lot of, so let me just reconnect. You see, then that is what you have to do. I already connected. So what I have to do, I just have to drag a beat, so that I can start recording my vocals. Okay, let me drag the beat. Drag the beat. Where can I find the beat? Okay, let me just come here. Where is kunema instruments angu, kunema beats angu. So afana video pa gate. Or is that? Then let me put Hariperi, and this one was one of the most popular beat, by Zimbabwe. Yeah, it's not searching. Alright, let me just scroll. Hariperi, here we go. Then you drag the beat. Just drag the beat, put it in Cubase 5. Then here, see, boom, the beat is here. What image under what? Let monitor, let's see us here. Is it the beat or what? Okay, let me put this here. Just wanna see what's going down here. This is not the beat. Oh yeah, it's now the beat. I don't know what was going on. Let me play. Here, you see. Okay, so I needed to record this on this beat, my vocals. Just want to show you everything, what you need to do when you need to record your vocals. So you come here, enable record, monitor sound if you want to monitor the sound. If you don't want, just kana uchida kuti sound was record, you can click here. But if you want to monitor, as for me, I like to monitor. So yeah, let me reduce the volume of my mic a little bit. You see, yeah, I guess. Then you come here and you click record. Outer.